This webinar is to assist you with the updated and improved Pro ROES. We will go through a brief tour of the updated software to get you familiar with its features and capabilities. Let's get started. The first change you will see is the login area. You must enter your account code in the box below My Account. Your account code will remain the same, and it is case sensitive. You must log in every time you use ROES. If you do not remember your customer code, you can find it on the old invoice or by calling customer service. Also notice that your preferences are now located directly below the login section. The diagnosis tools are right here. This is where you can find the area to clear your caches or to clear preferences. Once you are logged in, you will be on the home page or splash screen. On this page, you'll find our current specials and any messages from the lab below it. You can choose a product from the popular categories, and it will take you directly to that spot in the catalog. Or you can go directly to the ordering workspace that you're used to seeing just by clicking on the top tab called Order. You can navigate through ROES now by clicking on these tabs at the top of your page. Now you are in the ordering workspace. You will see the catalogs are listed at the top left now. By choosing the drop-down arrow, you can change your catalog. Now you can add your folder of images on the bottom left. You will see a click here to add. To add your images icon, choose the folder that you would like to upload. Your images will be displayed across the bottom. You can change the location to have the images on the right by clicking the double arrow. And you can move them back just by clicking that back. Now to create an order, it is just like the old version. Choose a catalog, choose a product, and choose an image. If you click on the image, a box will display, and you can zoom and rotate all of the features and then add it to your order. Now if you look at the top of your screen, you will see My Cart. Click on that. It will bring you to what used to be called the Review Order tab. Here is where you can review your order. You can either save it for later and name it something that you choose, or send the order. When you hit checkout, here you'll have to make sure you have all of your information typed in correctly, including your tax ID. Next, it brings you to select the shipping method, and then you can send the order. You can either send it now via the internet just like before, or save for later sending. If you click on Go to Uploads here, it will bring you to your Uploads page where you can find all of your queued orders and saved carts. You can view a receipt and print a receipt from any order just by clicking on those, and it shows you what you ordered. Records is now called Events and can be found right here. One change to Records is you can now access the packages and favorites that you already created. And by clicking on the Favorites toggle button, it'll bring up your favorites. If you're not familiar with records, it is used for managing schools and high-volume events. If you'd like more information about records, please contact customer service. Okay, now go back to the Order tab, and I'm going to run through how to add favorites. So if you're on the standard catalog, you can get to your favorites just by clicking that toggle button. And to add a new tab, click on that, rename your tab, and click Enter. If you don't click Enter, it won't save. To start creating a package, you could just go to your catalog by toggling off the Favorites tab. Select a product that you would like to add to it. Once the item appears in your center workspace, click on this button that looks like 3 sheets of paper on top of each other. And then choose your next product that you would like to add to it by dragging it over. You can choose multiple products to add to this. You notice that there's a blue chain link right here. If those are blue, these 3 images are linked and everything will populate simultaneously. If you would like to unlink one of those so that you can edit each image separately, you can just click on it again until the blue goes away. Once you have the sizes that you would like in your package, you can move these around to organize them. And then you can just click the heart with the green plus above it, and this will add it to whatever tab you like. So I want mine to be under School 1. Then I'm going to name this Package 1 and hit Enter. It won't save without entering. And every time you go back into this, you will see that your package is there for you. And if you create image nodes or text nodes, using these new favorite features will come in handy when you have frequently used products. If you use certain products all the time and you don't want to go back through the catalog to find them every time, you can just set them up in a tab, and then you can just work straight from that tab. Well, that is a basic rundown of the new ROES Pro. If anyone needs more help, you can contact us at customer service during normal business hours.